listening to a playlist or a CD that I made like middle school, and it still slaps. But I'm going to FedEx to pick up a picture that is printed that I'm so fucking excited to get. And then I have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond to pick up the picture frame I got for it. And my dumbass, the FedEx is like way over, like 15 minutes this way. And the Bed Bath & Beyond is like another 15 minutes from our house that way. So I have to drive all the way over here and all the way.
Bruh.
Okay, it could just be my like social anxiety talking, but the vibes were weird in the FedEx. But look. It's our dogs. I love it so much. So cute. I can put the person's Etsy shop up, but this guy did on Etsy. I just sent him a picture of my dogs, and it's literally so perfect. It's like a present for my husband, but also for me, but like he'll love it so much. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm at home. This little girl. Yeah, you look guilty. I had just opened a new bag of treats, left it on like this table thing, and it's like out of her reach. We've left treats up here millions of times. She can't reach it. Fucking ate the whole bag. It was brand new. I didn't take anything out of it. Brand new. Anywho, the picture, my guy, turned out so good. So good. I'm so happy. Okay, I got this package from the brand Fearful Avoidant. So, this is my pink Hello Kitty knife. I'm so excited. Such a sweet, I didn't want to read it out loud. Such a sweet little card. A little sticker. So cute. These are what like I saw first on her website, and I was like, says Fearful Avoidant stitched on it. And they're arm sleeves. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'm so excited. These are fire, bro. I'm like, I'm so happy. These are so cute. What the, hold on. My glasses. This is just a classic baby tee. Love it. The material is really nice too. And a classic black baby tee. She also has like this like crew neck that I want. So I'll probably buy that. These are so cute. I really appreciate you sending me these. I'm like putting it back in the package because I want to open it on TikTok too and post it on there. So